and welcome to faro the local time. Saves UK just approaching 10 o'clock in the morning. Very shortly you will see your anchor release on their seats before no G-UZHZ. The aircraft will still be moving and seatbelt signs will still be on. We do ask you to remain seated with your seatbelts fastened. When that seatbelt sign has been switched off, it will be safe for you to move around the cabin. When leaving us this morning, please check the seat pockets in front and the floor area around for checking for your personal belongings. Do take care of open lockers as items may move and fall out. Devices or calls, messages and internet access may now be used, however smoking is not permitted until you reach a designated smoking area. Face masks are to continue to be worn. We do ask you to observe local COVID-19 restrictions. If you have booked assistance with us this morning, please remain seated until all your fellow passengers have disembarked, and then the crew will be happy to help you further. On behalf of the captain and the rest of the crew, it's been our pleasure in looking after you all today's flight. We do wish you a safe and pleasant onward journey from the airport, and we very much look forward to welcoming you on board another EasyJet flight in the very near future. Once again, just remain seated until the seatbelt signs has been switched off. Thank you and a very good morning. Thank you.